YouTubers, it's day 127. For today's topic of the day, just picture this. Close your eyes and picture this. Two brothers with their family go to a golf course where there's going to be a marvelous fireworks show. I know it's not July 4th. Don't say that. Okay, so the brothers with their family go in a huge big rig. And in the trunk, well, in the back, they set up all these chairs to watch the fireworks show. Everyone's sitting around, being very, very quiet. Suddenly, the two brothers, they decide to do a dance. And they dance and dance, surrounded by a lot of people. And everyone is staring at, well, not really, but some people are staring. And those brothers are just... And then the fireworks happen, and then it's over. So the question is, who are those two brothers? Me and Nick. We danced on top of that big rig. So the question for you guys is, leave your Q&A questions. Today's fact of the day is, proportional to their weight, men are stronger than horses. What?
That makes no sense at all.
That makes no sense, Nick. Absolutely right. That makes no sense. So today's featured person is all the family for taking us out there to see that spectacular fireworks show. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 128, and TRS is out. Bye.